Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Before we get started, click that subscribe button, turn on notifications, give me a huge thumbs up. So today, we're going to be racing cars, and we're going to see whose wins. So we have two guns, and these two different cars, and we're going to see whose is faster. Let's see. So we got these two guns. Oh, I gotta put the car in. Yes. Okay, now let's come race. Okay, we're ready, and let's go race. Okay. Now we have to cock it first. Go ahead and cock it, Nicholas. Go ahead and cock it.
I'm gonna cock mine. Okay, cock it again.
Okay. On your marks. Get back a little. So we can show the car.
Okay.
Echo. Get set, go! Whoa.
Maybe go fine.
Oh, one hit the wall. That was really tough because one hit the wall and then the other one went in there. So we're gonna retry that. Let's go.
Alright, I'm gonna set the camera right here. I'm gonna do both of them again.
I sucked it! Yeah, Redson, yeah! Okay. This is the car's not in. Now cock it. On your marks. Get set.
He pooped it out. What?
Nothing. So sorry guys, my brother's having technical difficulties.
Come
Alright, so about the fire pit? You make the fire pit? Jump through the fire ring?
3, yes. 3, 2, 1. Nicholas, you are a cheater. It was right here on that block right there. And where'd mine go? Oh, wait, that one was
This
mine.
is yours.
That one is mine. Where's yours? Is it even in the bathroom?
Oh, yes, it is. It's in the curtain.
Oh, okay. Yeah, okay. He won. Well, he won. So we're going to do one more round, and it's the bonus round. They're going to be jumps and fire rings, and we're going to have to try to make it through them. So it's going to need good aiming. Very, very good aiming. Okay, so I'll show you what we are doing. So we have
Barrels.
excuse me, Daddy, your foot. So first we have obstacle. Nicholas.
Hold on, no, do it upwards.
I got close.
No, do it upwards. Do it upwards. Do it upwards.
Okay, and then we have barrels to dodge. We have barrels to dodge. And then we have fire rings and that. Let's get started. So I'm going to put the camera like right here so you can see what they make and what they fix the cars. So is that a good angle?
Yeah, you can pretty much see it. I wonder if my car will make it.
Do a fire ring. On your
Let's go up here. Let's go.
get set. Go. Oh! You almost made it through. My turn. There's not even a car in there. I got it, boys. Where's the car, Nicholas?
I'm not sure. It's so funny, dude.
Where's my car?
I get mine.
Where's my car?
Right here.
Bro. Okay. On your. Okay, it's my turn. On my marks.
On my marks.
Get set. Oh no! Stop! On your marks. Get set.
Uh-oh.
jump. I made the jump.
Okay, he won.
Yeah.
Nicholas won the challenge.
I won both challenges.
So bye. Make sure you like and subscribe.
All
and
the
turn
stuff
on the
is
noti-
mine anyways.
Please make sure you like and subscribe and turn on the notification bell